If you have one of these streaming devices, the ONN 4K Pro 2nd generation, and maybe it's running slow or not turning on at all, today I'm going to walk you through how to reset this device using 3 different methods. Let's get into it. For method number 1, you are still going to need access to your device, and I call this a soft reset. Now, what you're going to do is head to your settings menu, go to all settings at the top, and scroll down until you find system. Now, the first thing I suggest doing is going until you find the about section, and you want to click on this top option, which is system update. Now, this sometimes fixes a lot of minor issues because you might have an old operating system version. Once you've confirmed it's up to date, go ahead and click back and go back one more menu and scroll all the way down until you find restart. Now, I suggest doing this at least every once in a while. Restarting your box and fully turning it off will sometimes fix a lot of small buffering issues, especially when you combine that with system updates. Now, method number 2 will also require you to access your device. Method number 3 is going to be the one where if you can't access it at all, maybe it's not turning on. But for this one, you're going to head to settings, and then you're going to want to scroll to all settings again. Now, what we're going to perform here is called a factory reset. So scroll to system and then click on the about section again and scroll until you find reset right here. Now, a factory reset, if we could move my head here, is actually just the box basically restarting itself and going back to how you got it when it was brand new. So you have to re-log into your account, all your apps will be gone. This is completely wiping any data off of it. And this should only be done if there's nothing else that is working, such as that first method that I showed you. If it's running so slow or you're having so many problems, just do this and it will typically fix it. But again, you are going to have to re-log into your account. Now, lastly, we are on method 3, and this is if this device right here is just not working at all. Maybe it's not turning it on. Maybe you're having a ton of issues. So here's what you're going to do. On the bottom of your device, you're actually going to see this small reset button right here. So what you're going to do is unhook this from its power source. You're going to see I'm disconnected here except for my box right there. And you're going to go ahead and hold down this reset button while the device is unplugged. You're then going to plug the box back into its power source, ensuring you're still holding on that little reset button. Now, keep holding it. This is very important because if you hold it long enough, it's going to turn off and show you a black screen, but eventually you'll get to this menu right here. Now, in order to move around in this menu, just tap that reset button one time and you're going to be able to toggle through the options. So you want to scroll until you find wipe data reset and then hold down the reset button, and that will start the factory reset. Again, we'll reset your box back to factory settings like when you first got it, and you are going to have to log into your account again. Now, if those methods aren't working, then guess what? You need a new streaming device. And luckily for you, I have all my favorites listed down below in the description. This does also happen to be one of my favorites. And there's also some really great smart projectors that you can check out as well. If you also have a second, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at UpgradeGuyTech, where I do tons of fun tech videos. Thank you guys for watching. Like always, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you later.